Celsius. So we're gonna be converting Fahrenheit to converter. For this, we're gonna have to get input. So we're gonna add our so we have our scanner class right here. We're gonna be getting. I only wanted to do this so we can get that in. We did mention what's called these right here. So we're gonna be pulling from. Okay, so let's see. It's just not that print line. This is a temp converter. Temp converter. Okay. Will convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. I won't be using this right here because I know I can just read off of that. I actually want to do the thinking and the actual thought behind it because I do have to build that up. I think I mentioned that yesterday. I also did say I was going to work on the lab instead. I think instead of the lab, if I work towards that progression, I think I'll be better. Also, please bear in mind that I have a life outside of this. I know no one's like pressing me to like give information, etc., etc. Like etc., etc. Okay, so the formula is 32 times Fahrenheit. Okay, negative 32 times 100. Subtract 30. Divide that by 2. Okay. The exact formula to convert Fahrenheit. Does it fit with this? Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay. Um. Uh. I'm trying to remember how we would what's called. I'm sorry. I want to like pull my laptop up for quick because I do have my notes on my laptop. I forgot like how I would utilize a scanner, which is my fault, of course. I should be locked in enough to know that. Okay, on Java. I'd say I should be locked in enough to know that. For some reason, I haven't gotten into like the scanner bit, so I'll just ask Google. You know. Okay. I was right. I thought it was like that. Yeah, okay. If I'm gonna mention it here, I don't necessarily have to have it here because I can't instantialize it twice. We're gonna take this out, both of them, in fact. And then if we don't get our input from here, from then, it is. And then I'm gonna make it so it labels and then right here, since I put that down double, we're gonna have to convert Fahrenheit up to Celsius right here. So we're gonna put double Celsius, right? And then Celsius equals, and then we have the formula here, Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit minus minus 32 times 5/9. Let's do this real quick. We're gonna compare it to this right here. Is it the same? Okay, it looks like it's the same, but I guess we don't necessarily need that thing, but it's okay. Let's print out system out that, and then here we are temp in Celsius. This Celsius is you guys ever had the Celsius energy drink? Okay, I'm gonna review before I do anything. So we have our scanner classifier system. Now this is the temp converter, which will convert which will convert Fahrenheit to Celsius at both Fahrenheit equals. And this is where we're pulling Fahrenheit. And this is what it should print. I think it should run. Did I do it wrong? Okay, it's because I had a CNR right here. Well, which is fine. So what we want to say? Oh, it's 98 degrees outside Fahrenheit. But we have a friend who lives in the UK, which they don't use the same sort of thing. So let's convert 98 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. Okay, we could fix this up a bit, and it should work better. Okay, so your temp in Fahrenheit is 98 degrees. Your it's called in Fahrenheit, yeah, and then in Celsius is 36. And then you might want to root this though, so we can end it right here. I'd say end it right here. I'm gonna I forgot how to use. I'm gonna use printf for this one, but you're gonna have to give me a second because my brother is low key not like fully up there. I have the. You might have to ask a chat because I got the okay. Okay. So our text would be here. Okay. Let's fix that then. Okay. This then. And it's saying our text would have to be. So it should be looking like this then. I'm just gonna paste it in here. I'm gonna be trying to implementing system printf into like the program a lot more. I promise. So 98. Okay. This is way better. I didn't realize it would be like that. But what if like you wanted to continue with the line right here? Like, you just had that right there. Would it not work? So okay, it wouldn't work. Alright, I'm back. So we got essentially everything done, but we do have to practice on right here, system printf. And then we can also do the reverse, where we instead convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, so it's not even bad. I mean, you know, what was our other one that it was asking us to do? Okay, this one says we need rectangle calculator, so we need area parameter, area rounded and parameter rounded. So get the area we just on length times width. Okay. 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 We're gonna do this real quick, and then afterwards. What was it called? Rack area. Okay, that's what we'll call it. And then we're gonna use the system F. Hopefully we'll get everything situated, locked in, type stuff. Okay. Where are we at now? Cannot find symbol. Area for the rectangle is what's area. I named it right here. What's the issue? Okay. I'm so confused. Zoces cannot find symbol area. Area finder. Oh, stupid me. I didn't put a variable behind it. Okay. I don't need the plus then, do I? Yeah, I need the plus. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna typecast it at the end right here. We're gonna also use system printf so I can get better with that. So what we have here, your area, the area of your rectangle is, this is where we get it, percentage. I think this should work. Okay, please insert your link of 45, 54, 2,430. Okay, and then we're also gonna print a line right here, and then instead of having it just like this, we'll typecast it so it isn't weird at all. And we'll just make it an integer. And what is it? Area. And then we'll have two different ones. Okay. Might not cast neural. Okay, this is incompatible type. Double cannot be converted to int. Why can't it be converted to int? Okay, I'm gonna figure this out. Why? Oh, I forgot. Yeah, my bad. I forgot. Okay, so Java blocks is converting from 12.7 to an int, and we'll lose it. So Java makes you manually do it. So they instantialize int rounded area, and then doing that. I know this from doing it anyways. So okay, where do they say rounded area? Double area equals length times width, which is right there. The area rounded down is okay, but it doesn't have. Like I'm so confused. It's this clean version right here. Okay, but like, what's wrong with my code? It's literally the same, no? Call me insane, but it's literally the same. Let's see if it runs it with no error. Okay, it runs it with no error. See, so my code used double length, double width, and double. Okay. Okay, like, am I bugging? X double, and then length times width. These are all the same. Oh. Did I? Oh, that's the issue. For me, I don't know. Okay, I see now. If I did it right, I wouldn't have to have that sort of thing. I never what's called capitalized integer. I don't know why I did the same for double. Maybe it's because over here I did it right. I don't know. So 45, 54, and this would be the same. Okay, and then we'll be able to do this. So I would say 45.8, 88, and 54.77. Okay. Okay, I just want to ask chat if I finished both tasks. Okay.